Hello, welcome back to Math Pro by Bloom Academy. Let's pick up from where we left off from last time. Okay, so this is a problem from last time here. We had this figure made up of an equilateral triangle and a semicircle. Okay, and here are the questions. What's the radius of the semicircle? What's the perimeter of this composite figure in terms of pi? What's the area? Okay, now, so let's go for it. Okay, so now let's look for some keywords here. We have equilateral triangle, semicircle, okay, and radius perimeter. Okay, so now look at these key terms and you link it to a topic that you learned in algebra. And this is got to do with area and perimeter of geometric figures. Okay, so first part, what do we need? Information needed. What have we been asked to find? The radius of the semicircle. Okay, what have we been given that will help us to find what we need, the radius? Okay, we've been given the side of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so now here, let's link it. Okay, we have to apply our understanding of equilateral triangle, which has three sides equal. So you note that the diameter of the semicircle is a side of the triangle. So therefore, we have the diameter equals 10 centimeters, which makes the radius 5 centimeters. It's half of the diameter. First problem solved, the perimeter. So we go down. What is the perimeter of a figure? It's the length of the boundary. It's just stick with the boundary. So if you have a figure like this, it's the boundary. You start from here, you go, come here, there, there. That's your perimeter. You go around it. Okay, so now let's follow the definition. Be bold. Okay, and then I hope you've tried this first. Be bold, persevere, don't quit, get through it. Okay, so now you write the definition of perimeter. It's what? Arc AC. See that this right here, AC. Okay, the boundary is we start here, we go over there, have here, AC, we continue C to D, D to A. That's your perimeter. So is this arc AC, the length CDDA? Now, arc AC is the circumference of the semicircle. Okay, what's the circumference of a circle? It's pi times diameter or 2 pi r, 2 pi times the radius. Okay, that's a full circle. For a semicircle, we have to divide by 2. That's why you have these two over here. So pi times the diameter, which is 10, divided by 2, 5 pi. So circumference is 5 pi. So we have this CDDA plus the arc, which is 20 plus 5 pi. That's your answer. You've been asked to leave the answer in terms of pi. And also the radius of the figure here. The radius is the area of the figure is the area of the semicircle plus the area of the triangle. Okay, and area of circle is pi r squared. For a semicircle, we divide by 2. Area of a triangle is base times height over 2. Okay, so we just plug in the numbers. Pi times radius, that's radius squared over 2. You do the same thing over here. Okay, and then you left out with 25 pi over 2 plus 30. And then we can put that together. Remember how to put 2 over 3 plus, let's say, 7. Okay, you multiply the denominator by this whole number here and then add 2 and everything over 3. The same thing over here. If you want to put this as a single fraction, it's 2 times 30 plus 25 pi divided by 2. That's your answer. Or over here, when you have pi r squared over 2 plus base times height over 2, okay? If you have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2, when the denominators are the same, you can just add the top, 1 plus 3 over 2. So here the same, denominators are the same, so it's pi r squared plus base times height, everything over 2. You plug in your numbers, and then you end up with 25 pi by 60 over 2. There you have it. Okay. You can just rewind it. Okay. Replay it. Now, try a similar problem all by yourself. This is very similar. Again, you have the same or similar composite figure. Is made up of a triangle, a equilateral triangle of perimeter 36 centimeters. Here is joined with a semicircle to form the figure above, with 0 as the center of the semicircle. First question, what is the radius of the semicircle? What is the perimeter of the figure in terms of pi? And what is the area of the figure in terms of pi? Okay, pause, review what I've done, try it first, and then come and check your answers. All right, here you go. Did you get these answers? Okay, if you did, congratulations. All right, if you didn't, review and retry. And if you think I've made a mistake, you email me. All right, what have I been telling you? I say what? Practice makes perfect. Apply yourself very well. And all things being equal, what? You shall bloom. Welcome to Bloom Academy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.